So today I have come to
ಫ್ಲೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್.
English. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಈ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ.
Today we are meeting headmaster Nonaya, who is elder of Malekudia community. And on one of my field trip, I became friendly with him. He's a very friendly, nice person, well educated, and wanted to help his community. And I also great interest in this forests and all, since I go to do the botanical work. And I wanted to do something for this Malakudia children, because they are not having any educational facility. There is no current, there is no bus, there is no Wi-Fi. Then in the rainy season they have to walk in the leech infested places, and that public school, government school also doesn't have any facility. There is no lab, there is no library, there is no girls toilet, nothing is there. Still with great difficulty children are trying to educate themselves, because without education a community cannot prosper. And Malakudia community need their own lawyers, their own scientists, their own engineers, doctor, everything. And very, very bright children are there. I have met personally. Only thing is the facilities are not there. And government facilities are also not reaching the last mile. So, we started one educational support program, and in that connection I am meeting one of the bright student of this community. Now, I will ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ ಈಗ. ಯಕ್ಷಿತಾ. ಹಾಂ, ಯಕ್ಷಿತಾ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ BA ಮೂಡ್ಬಿದ್ರಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಸ್ಯೂ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ that result. You are still waiting, isn't it? Now, what is the problem you are facing to get a good education according to your opinion?
Because my family is not able to financially.
Financial support is needed.
Yes.
Then?
And the basic necessity like road, current.
Road and current and all panchayat and authorities have to provide, because she is living in that forest there behind. So, on the top of that forest, their hamlet is there. From there, every day she has to walk down in the rain and sunshine and the leech infested places to reach the main road. So this is the main road, and the bus route ido. There is no bus and all in this main road. She has to come here and walk further into the town section. So with all the difficulty, she has managed to get very good marks, and very articulate and intelligent young lady, and she deserves to get a good education, so that she can do something for their community.
Got 92%.
92% with all these handicaps. So if she had got a good educational support, she would have probably got 100 out of 100. Anyway, so ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಲೀಗಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಗಿಸ್ತಕ ಅಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಈಸ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಮ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ that is part of that educational support. Then maybe some study material, and maybe some tuition, because getting good quality, good English is important. Without English, good jobs are not available. And the government school and government college don't have proper English teacher, because they don't even give salary on time to the teachers. So out of their own initiative, youngsters have to do something and try to come up in their life. So educational support, some financial assistance, some study material, one laptop and the tab and one smartphone. ದೆನ್ ಏನಾರೊಂದು ಇಂಥದ್ದೇನೋ ಬೈಕಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? ಅಷ್ಟು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಉಂಟಾ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? ಓಕೆ, one vehicle like that, so that from this main road at least she can go to the college and come. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಲೇಜು?
ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ 6 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಟೌನಿಗೆ, ಟೌನಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2.5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್.
ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು?
ಈ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್.
ಒಂದು 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಟು ವಾಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿಲ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ರೋಡ್. ಶಿ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ 20 minutes in a footpath. Then from here another 6 kilometers to a town, and from there to the college. ಸೊ 2-3 hours ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಇಸ್ ವೇಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಉಂಟಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟು, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ 2:30 ತನಕ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರೋದು.
ಹಾಂ, ಮತ್ತೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತು ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರಿದ್ರು.
ಇಬ್ಬರಾ? ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ, ಸೊ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಔಟ್. 2 of them are continued. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪುನಃ ರೆಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಅವನ ದುಡಿಮೆಯಿಂದಲೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈಗ
ಆಯಿತು, ಈಗ ಅವನ ದುಡಿಮೆಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ
ತಂದೆ
ಓದ್ತಾರಾ? ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಓದಿಸ್ಬೋದು.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಹಾಂ, ಫಾದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟಿ.
ಅಂದ పేరున సంపాదన బతుకున్నా ಬ್ರದರ್ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಅವರ ಅರ್ನಿನಿಂದ ಇವರೀಗ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯದು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ
ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಬರು.
ಹುಡುಗ ಒಬ್ಬ
ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹಾಂ, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಅವ್ರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಯಿತು, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಲೀಡರು ಇವರೇ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಂದವರು. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಹಿಸ್ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು interfere in somebody's life. If whatever headmaster Nona is telling, I am following his advice and suggestions. And also Mr. Sridhar, who is community leader, and he is also taking lot of interest for the community development, Malakodia community development and other ST, that forest people communities. And in next one of these days I will interview him also. So ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಆ್ಯಂಬಿಷನ್ನು ಲೀಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.